Hello! In this workout, I'm going to help guide you through the very tedious process of learning a riff from scratch. So hopefully by the end of this video, you should be able to play Enter Sandman by Metallica. So go grab your guitar and see if you can keep up. This riff is only 6 notes long, but don't let that fool you. There are a few features of this riff that can be a little bit of a hurdle at first, but once you get over them, you'll be able to get it up to speed pretty quick. Here's what it sounds like. But it sounds cooler when you do it a bunch of times. One thing that makes it weird is that the first note you hear is called a pickup note. It actually happens before beat 1, in the middle of beat 4 and beat 1, or on the and of 4, as we say in the biz. So if I'm counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. So it's very syncopated and a little off-putting at first. But the weirdest part about this riff is how we're going to have to set up our hand in order to play it. I've taught it a few different ways, but after reading a fairly heated argument on ultimateguitar.com, I ended up looking at some live videos of Metallica playing Enter Sandman, and yeah, he sets it up like this. He's got his pinky on the 5th string 7th fret, his middle finger on the 4th string 5th fret, and then he uses these 2 fingers to play the moving notes on the 6th string in the 6th fret and 5th fret. Trying to keep these 2 fingers held down while these 2 fingers are moving usually messes with my students at first. And this riff has kind of become one of my favorites for helping develop finger independence. Since our brains can only hold about 7 pieces of information at a time, we usually try to break these riffs into small chunks, get those up to speed, and then try and glue them all together. But this riff is only 6 notes long, so we technically don't need to do that. But the key to learning riffs and songs quickly is to break them down into simple steps and then gradually increase the challenge, rather than just trying to play it from start to finish a bunch of times until it starts working. I mean, that will work, but it just takes a lot longer to absorb the information than breaking them down into bite-sized chunks that are easier to digest. So we're going to learn this riff in 3 rounds. The first round is going to be for getting comfortable playing the moving notes up top. We're going to lock our fingers down right here and then play these notes on the 6th string. Open, 6, 5, open, 6, 5, open, 6, 5, open. We'll start at 50% of normal speed. We'll play it 4 times in a row. Then we'll go up to 60% of normal speed. We'll play it 4 times in a row, and we'll do that until we get up to normal speed. In round 2, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to fill in the gaps a little bit. This time we're going to add the 7 at the very end, so it'll be 0, 6, 5, 7, 0, 6, 5, 7, 0. We'll do that 4 times at 50%, move up to 60% until we hit normal speed. Then in round 3, we'll go back down to 50% and fill in the gaps completely, doing the full riff. So it's 0, 7, 5, 6, 5, 7, 0, 7, 5, 6, 5, 7, 0. And then after that, you'll be done, and you could play in Metallica. Alright, well that's enough talking. Let's try this thing out. Before we start round 1, I just want to say that I looked through all the drum patterns on this keyboard and could only find one that was even kind of close to what it sounds like in Enter Sandman, and it's not even that close. So I'm going to save that drum beat for round 3 when we're doing the full riff, and for rounds 1 and 2 we'll just use the metronome so it doesn't mess with you that much. But the drum beat's coming, I promise. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go, 0, 6, 5, 0, 6, 5, 0, 6, 5, 0, 6, 5, 0. All right, here's 60%. 1, 2, ready, go, 0, 6, 5, 0, 6, 5, 0, 6, 5, 0, 6, 5, 0. 70%. 1, 2, ready, go, 0, 6, 5, 0, 6, 5, 0, 6, 5, 0, 6, 5, 0. All right, here's 80%. 1, 2, ready, go, 0. 6, 5, 0. 6, 5, 0. 6, 5, 0. 6, 5, 0. All right, here's 90%. 1, 2, ready, go, 0. 6, 5, 0. 6, 5, 0. 6, 5, 0. 6, 5, 0. All right, last one. Here's 100%. 1, 2, ready, go, 0. 6, 5, 0. 6, 5, 0. 6, 5, 0. 6, 5, 0. All right, round 2, we're going to be doing 0, 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 1, 2, ready, go, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. All right, here's 60%. 1, 2, ready, go, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. All right, 70%. 1, 2, ready, go, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. Here's 80%. 1, 2, ready, go, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. All right, 90%. 1, 2, ready, go, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. All right, here's 100%. Ready, go, 0. 6, 5, 7, 0. All right, round 3. Now we're just going to add in these two. Open, 7, 5, 6, 5, 7, open, 7, 5, 6, 5, 7, open. Here we go. Yeah, this is the only one that has the toms. 1, 2, ready, go, 0. 7, 5, 6, 5, 7, 0. 7, 5, 6, 5, 7, 0. But it kind of works. All right, here's 60%. 1, 2, ready, go, 0. 7, 5, 6, 5, 7, 0. All right, here's 70%. 1, 2, ready, go, 0. 7, 5, 6, 5, 7, 0. Here's 80%. 1, 2, ready, go, 0. 7, 5, 6, 5, 7, 0. Here's 90%. 1, 2, ready, go, 0. 7, 5, 6, 5, 7, 0. All right, last one. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice one! Hopefully that one was pretty quick and easy. Well, if you're feeling comfortable playing along with me, next step would be to test your might and try playing along with the actual recording, which will sound way cooler than me and my keyboard. Or if you just stumbled across this channel and you want to learn some more riffs that are about this easy, check out this playlist. Alright, well that's going to be it for this video. If you could be so kind, I would be beside myself if you could click these buttons. YouTube likes it, I like it, everybody likes it when you click these buttons, so just make us all happy. Click some of these buttons. You're the best. Thanks. Bye.